welcome back to my channel. I've never done those kind of things. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you're not left behind. Yeah, if you are a returning subscriber, you know what to do, darling. So yes, today guys, we are headlined by Daniel Brothers. These are the Afro pop singers all the way from Limpopo in Tsanin. Yes, they're featuring Brian Bomber on this one. Timbani and Vuyelwa. The name of the song is called I Believe in Love. I just can't wait to hear Timbani rap on a song like this, especially if it's a love song. Yeah, without any further ado, guys, let's just go straight right into it and listen to the song.
Daniel Brothers, Bomba Bride, Hip Timbani, Navuyelwa. Man, that's him, we got it, Ranzo, man, I know.
It has a reggae feel, so we know what kind of beat is that, unless it changes in the middle. It's a reggae kind of a beat that I'm hearing here. I believe in love. Guys, I was still in a month of love. Anyway, I understand probably this song was made around February. That was the month of love. So probably this song was made then. It's been long since I've heard from Daniel Brothers, guys. Isn't it like a year or 2 years, somewhere there? These guys haven't released a song in a while. So probably, it came at the right time. Whenever they wrote this song, it was during the month of love. I can only assume, because now we are in the month of March, and this song just came out on the 1st of March, meaning this song probably was written somewhere around the month of February. But hey, let's hear. Hi guys. Guys, are you guys listening to this? Ding, 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 ding. Isn't it like a Lucky Dube kind of a... I'm not sure. Let's do this. How do you do this again? I just want to hear this. Is this not a Lucky Dube? There's a song by Lucky Dube. It says, I got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I got you, babe, to make me feel alright. Because when I listen to what Brian Bomber is doing in the intro there, it's almost like translating what Lucky Dube did on his song I Got You, Baby, which was released back then. I can't remember, in the 90s. I think it was in that album of The Ultimate Lucky. Yeah, The Ultimate Lucky Dube. That was the name of the album when that song came out. So we are on a reggae feel. So it's good that we are doing something, familiar, because, yeah. For those who don't know, Lucky Dube was shot in 2007 in Rosettenville. Yeah, he was shot dead there in some robbery that went wrong. Yes, may his soul rest in peace. But I just hear a Lucky Dube song when I'm playing this song. I don't know what you guys think. You guys will tell me. Okay, we understand what Brian Bomber is doing. We know Brian Bomber is a guy who likes singing about love, So yeah, I'm not sure if he's in the same stable as Daniel Brothers, because I think they are managed by Nkanelo now, Daniel Brothers. So, and I know Nkanelo is also in the production. He's a guy who is very hands-on when it comes to his product. So probably the beat was made in the studio. Shavona, I know the guys there that work in that. It's Prince Benz. I know we have to give it up to Prince Benz, the guys, one talented producer. And there's DJ Ntwani there, I think. Yeah, and Nkanelo as well. There's Malik, Zwane, all these guys. Yeah, there's so many people that are working in that stable. Shawa Makongel. Who else? Yeah, but Prince Oremi, if I'm not mistaken. So these are the guys who made the beat. And it's interesting that they're actually sampling from Lucky Dube. I got you, baby. You know. But now I want to hear what Timbani is gonna do. I'm interested in Timbani right now. I want to hear Timbani. Okay, that's not Timbani. This is Daniel Brothers, I think. Okay, that's Daniel Brothers. So they're taking the theme, yeah, like you do. But I want to listen to that part, yeah, Timbani. I don't know. Actually, Daniel Brothers, we know what they can do. They're talented guys and they're doing well. This is their music. This is their style. Talking about love. I mean, these guys have been there. They've been nominated in a lot of awards, including the. Is it not the Summers? Is it what we call it? Yeah, a lot of awards they were nominated, including Munganalon awards, I think. So we all know them. I want to share. Daniel Brothers. So it's all talking about going out to look for love and then, finally found love and all that. All the things that we know. It's nice, guys. I love it. I love it. Wow, it's so chilled. It's like a kind of a lockdown kind of music. We are not jumping up and down. It's not yet the time. It's quite a nice beat. It goes with the time and the current conditions or circumstances that we find ourselves in, lockdown. You just need to just move up and down like this slowly. We're not yet in a rush. We can wait for December or September for those those songs that are very fast. I'm digging this one. I'm digging this one. Okay. Guys, Tivani. Okay, maybe it's because I'm biased because I was really looking forward to hear what Ntima's gonna do on a reggae beat. He just kill it. The guy is comfortable. Actually, I feel like I've listened to some of Mtimbani's music and I don't wanna lie, I was never a fan. But on this beat, this guy is killing it, man. It's like he's at home. Is it because he's rapping more on Tsonga, like using Xitsonga language? Let's hear this again because I like this. I really like this. Yo, I love it. I love the rhymes. Yo, guys. Okay, I know Timbani works with Pet Mabandla, if I'm not mistaken. Is it with Pet Mabandla? Yeah. Is it Pet Mabandla or is it Manager Masink? I don't know. You guys will tell me that. I can't get all these things right, guys. You guys need to. But I know it about Daniel Brothers. So we okay. You guys, if you wanna listen to the song, just go and download the song. I think it's on all the digital stores. Yeah. But I want to hear what Vuelo is gonna do. I also want to hear because we know what Daniel Brothers can do, what they've done. I mean, these guys don't even have to prove themselves. They're in it. They're within. They are within. Let's hear what Sis Viola is gonna do. Viola is our Tonga Shangan Disco Queen, if you can call her like that.
And that's why it's a my
Okay, not
reconnected.
yet.
The laborin's I in a pella papa offended. But in that the coach, baby, I just a team. He come a vanilla Jehovah, I make a cream.
Who's playing the guitar there, guys? That lead guitar. Is it Malik? I'm not sure. I'm not sure who's playing the lead guitar, but it's nice. It does sound like it was done in house.
I am the red rose symbol, your love. Pop champagne, no bite, kiss, no hug. Chingwabula shako enough bite in your face. Mini young guy, let jelly baby, no full elect.
Why am I making Timbani this long verse? And he's killing it. Yeah, but it just shows Daniel brothers are not selfish, they like working with people, and it's good to work with other people. I really, really dig this one. I'm loving this. I just want to hear what real, because we haven't heard Vuelwa since. We haven't heard what Vuelwa is. Okay, is this Vuelwa? Wait. It's so interesting that whenever Vuelo comes in, you sort of now feel like, okay, I will on a disco feel. She did bring that disco feel. Maybe that was the reason why Daniel Brothers went for her. I'm not sure. Maybe it was because, she was the closest person. I'm just not happy with the auto tune on her voice because I feel like Vuelo has a nice voice. She doesn't need no auto tune, guys. Guys, come on. Vuelo can just sing straight. I wish they just allowed Vuelo's voice to shine the way it is without tweaking it too much. I know people use auto tune, but maybe they should have just used a little bit of it, not too much. Because on this one, I just feel like Vuelo's voice is swallowed by auto tune, and we can't really tell if it's a voice or not. Let's hear Vuelo's voice again. Let's actually hear it again. I want this part. No. Let's start from here. Okay, so that's Vuelwa, because that for the rest of the song, that's the only voice that I'm hearing is that has a bit of a female sound to it. So I can only assume that's Vuelwa, but we can't really tell because it's on auto tune and it's too much. But this is a good song. Daniel Brothers, hallelujah. Hallelujah. You guys deserve a whoosham. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, is Timban gonna come back? Because I'm so thirsty from Timban, guys. Liphelile ingoma besinati. Iphelile ingoma, but bayaphendulana la. Oh, I say nice, good song. We can hear that it was sampled from Lucky Dube. We can only tell it's Lucky Dube's I Got You Baby. That's where the song comes from. Yeah, the beat sounds like it, so I can only assume that's it. I believe in love. I also believe in love, Daniel Brothers. Well done, guys. I believe in Daniel Brothers. Mavo. Hey, do you guys like their hairstyle? I used to have this hairstyle, guys. You remember? They are looking dope and dapper. Nice. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. You guys comment down below. Tell us what you think about this song. I like it. I like that it's chilled. It's a chilled beat. It's a sort of a fusion of reggae, raga, disco. It's so nice. It's like it's like a mesh. It's okay. It's a mixed masala, guys. So yeah, I like it. I dig it. If I didn't, I was gonna say it because I don't buy face. So yeah, well done. So go out there and stream the song. Unfortunately, I couldn't play the rest of the song because of, as you know, copyright issues, guys. I don't want to be involved in those things again. So yeah, well done. So if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button for this kind of videos, and also If you are new, I mean, if you are a returning subscriber, if you are a returning subscriber, you know what to do. Yes, thank you very much, guys, and see you again in the next upload. My name is MANDLA Gere, Gingirikani, Wakamashaban Kanu Ekesdot, Chilikin I'm thirsty. Ditotora, salute, salute, Mengatitimeli, Mengatitimeli.